guys, Remix is here, and today we are playing High Explosives mode solo. Just a heads up, if you hear my phone just did. If you hear like a weird background, that's the heater. Our room is very cold right now. Like very cold. Like I have a blanket on me, a jacket, my lazy pants. Still, I'm completely freezing. My brother, he's laying in the bed beside me. Not in my bed. So he is, if he wakes up, he's probably gonna say something like this. Oh, hey Zach, what are you doing? Playing Fortnite? Okay. So, yeah, that's what he's probably doing. If you haven't already, subscribe. And basically, when you subscribe, you get to join me, basically, and you'll get every video that I post in your subscriptions. But you won't get it on the top of your phone unless you tap the notification bell. It's something weird, but it's there. So, yeah, I'm going to go on Twitch, basically watch my own Twitch stream just to make sure that it's going smooth. So I'm muting it. Hold on, I'm gonna see if I can hear myself. Yeah, I can hear myself. Okay, let's get started. If more people come on and start to play, then yeah, we'll play. I know St. Patty's Day is over, but this is one of my favorite skins. It's also a really good skin because it blends in with the grass. So that's good. Ooh, look at this guy. Just starting out, eh? Check this out, boy. Hey, don't blow me up. I'm gonna dance too, dude. I hate when the sound cuts up because of all the grenades and bombs and everything. I usually go to this spot on top of the hill. Haven't been there yet, but I've heard it's good. Well, I've never gone there before. I've usually gone to the house over here. But, hey, let's see what we can get over here. I've heard it's good. So, OMG. There's only 2 chests. Oh, there you go. Starting the game off strong. Sweet. Where'd all those other suckers go? Yeah, go for it, go for it. I'm running out of ammo. I've killed 2 people with an egg launcher before. Oh, what a freaking... That guy just ran off. That guy just ran off. What a freaking wuss. Yeah, I can understand retreating in retreat, like retreating in defeat, but not just retreating just to retreat because you can't beat them. No. If I can't beat someone, I'll retreat and act like I left. And I'll turn around and just freaking destroy them. Up, building. Northeast 54. Okay. Don't know if I'm gonna go in there straight just yet. Might just get dusted. There might just be a fight over there and I'll just butt in. Someone tells me that guy's got the guided missile. That's why he built that fort. So yeah, we're gonna go kill him. Has 3 kills. What the? That's because of his freaking stupid guided missile. But how? He came out of nowhere. He's all like, "Did we?" Oh my gosh! You gotta be kidding me. We started the video off strong, and then we died because of that freaking spaceman. I mean, I have the spaceman. See, that's what you get when you get the battle pass, but no, I didn't go for the spaceman. The spaceman is for all those newcomers in the battle pass. It's either the Rust Lord or this skin. Spaceman I'll wear sometimes. I haven't eaten anything all day, and that's what I get. Let's see. Oof, hold on. I think I might have a friend. I invited one of my friends to join the party. I'm gonna see what he can do. We're gonna go to the same place. See if we can get any more luck. Oh, my brother is now moaning and rubbing his face into the bed. This kid bites it, like, this kid grinds his teeth in his sleep, and it's really not good for him, but it's also really annoying. Oh, I think I might see 3 chests. Oh, only 2. Yeah, only 2. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh! We got the new guided missile straight off the bat. Even better than last time, dude. We could just camp up here half the day. The game, man. $200 HP, give it to me. Oh, hey, look, there's my logo. Oh my gosh, Adam. Get it, you're trying to wake up. Shut up. Okay, I'm gonna get some more ammo. And we can just camp. Because camping's fun. Oh Lord. Oh Lord, Christ almighty. Not what I meant to do. Twisted Taco is down, dude. Twisted Taco. Dead. Rest in peace, Twisted Taco. He had, like, basically nothing on him. Hey, launchers aren't that bad if you know how to use them. So mostly everyone does, but they just choose not to use it. I'm gonna break these stairs. Okay, we're fine. Camping is too much fun. Had Dark Voyager had no idea what was coming. But I guess I want the legendary. Come on. Thank the Lord. Okay, run. I also want the legendary egg launcher. Take all that too. I give up on that sucker. Wasting ammo. Oh, dang. Chill, Fathom, I know what I'm doing. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Wait, Wombo Orin. Bro, he didn't kill me. Bro. That was so stupid. Dude. He wouldn't leave me alone. I was about to give up on that sucker until he finally got the freaking guided missile, and he's all like, oh, now I'm gonna do offense. I still don't understand. I built a wall. Like, how did that blast get so far towards me? I've gotten 2 wins off of YouTube. It's 5 wins now. I will be posting them to my other channel, Remixes Wins. I'll leave the link in the description. Basically, it's from any video that I win. So, like, not just Fortnite wins, but it could be other wins. But so far, it's just Fortnite wins. So yeah, if you like yourself some Fortnite wins, yeah, go check that out. But I guess we're gonna do maybe one more match. I'm tempted to press Y, but I want to end the video here. Okay. Also, guys, we are only 3 subscribers away from hitting my milestone. So, yeah, hit the subscribe button. You guys are also wondering, why don't you do a face cam in your, like, videos like this one? Because I don't have the proper face cam. I'm sorry. I just don't have the proper face cam. We're gonna go here again, guys. I have to ask you guys one thing. Why is it that my PUBG Mobile is getting more, my PUBG Mobile videos is getting more views than my Fortnite videos? Huh? Yeah, it's a big question. Ask yourself that question. Why is it? Why is it like that? I thought you guys liked yourselves some Fortnite. One chest and it's mine. Nobody else can get it. Wanna fight, bro? Wanna fight? Oh. Oh! What? It didn't even hit me! Bro, that's such a hack. My game froze. I'm sorry, guys, but I have to do this. I'm cutting this out. It won't even let me freaking abort this sucker. Bro, did you guys see that? They were such a hacker. The missile didn't even hit me. I would take getting hit like a little bit, like hurt a little bit. But he freaking killed me one shot when the missile was 5. Like, you saw the explosion, it was so far away. That person froze my game and killed me. You guys can say that I'm a sore loser, don't care. Froze my game and did that. You should have seen my past game, guys. It was really good. I had 5 kills. Oh yeah, people say that it's impossible to get the guided missile in the lobby. That, you see that? That would have killed him. That would also have killed him. That would have knocked me down at least. That would have killed him. Oh. I swear, if I die to a hacker again, it's gonna be legit. And they wouldn't, like, the game wouldn't even let me hack, the game wouldn't even let me report that person. That person either got lucky, like really lucky, or they hacked. Which hackers, they freaking suck, dude. If you're a hacker, go kill yourself. No, don't kill yourself. Just stop hacking. Please, only one chest. Oh my gosh, if somebody else comes here, I'm gonna be Campoosh. Maybe not, I won't be Campoosh. I saw some other people coming this way. That was pure beauty. That was pure beauty. Pure beauty. Did you guys see that? They were fighting and I just went over there and went kapow. I didn't go over there, but still. I do what H2O Delirious does. If you guys don't know who he is, you can look him up. It'll be the first YouTube channel. Look him up. he chops down the stuff inside the house, which gives him enough wood to do what he needs to do. I do that too, because I get killed most of the time when I'm trying to chop down a tree. So, yeah. Up, building in there. Whoever they are, they're just trying to surf the Dusty Depot. You gotta be legit, man. You gotta be legit. The game glitched out. That's not cool, man. That's not cool. No. This way, you stupid game! You stupid game! Are you serious? Nobody saw what my platform did. My floor was supposed to go over me. Fortnite, you gotta fix this game. Like, it's fun and addicting, but gosh. Some people might leave if you can't fix all the glitchiness. I mean, I know it's a beta, but please. My gosh. It's because people are gonna die to that. And they're gonna rage quit, delete the game, and just leave. And then a week later, they'll come back. Reinstall the game, but still, like, this is stupid. I don't understand. Like, Epic Games, I like you. You have some good games. But you gotta fix this, man. You gotta fix this. I mean, you've seen it happen to Wildcat, H2O Delirious, Vanoss, all those YouTubers. Somehow the platform fails on them, and they get mad. Personally, I'm a pretty good rage quitter sometimes, but I keep it cool most of the time. Sometimes I punch stuff. Yeah, you see, fit like that. Hey, I'm trying to sleep here. That, he just bursted through. Who do you think you are? If you guys saw that blonde guy that was breaking into my fort, that's kind of what it looked like. Oh, wait, no, you didn't. I swear to the Lord, if I die to a missile launcher at that freaking... Oh my gosh, I swear. That was like the biggest glitch of mankind. I swear, if I get 2 kills again, because 2 people went over there trying to get stuff. Like, you never know what can happen in Fortnite. That last round could have been just luck. Some luck, you know? You never know what could happen. See a chest on top of that building. Just go for it. Oh, poop nuggets. I hate how it does that. Like I thought I could get that guy down with like the guy that had the missile and he was just shooting around Dusty Depot. Oh crap, oh crap, oh crap. Oh crap, oh crap. Oh crap, oh crap, oh crap. I saw you over there. Why does this keep on happening to me? I'm gonna do one more game. If this happens to me one more time, I'm quitting this game. Again, Epic Games, fix this. Oh my gosh. So stupid. Did you see how far away that rocket launcher was? I know if I got hurt a little bit, but not that much. Why? I don't understand you sometimes, Fortnite. Now if this seems like trash talking, I'm sorry. This game is really fun, but still, gotta fix this. I pressed play. This gets me so mad sometimes. I was hoping to get a win today, but I was hoping also to get a guided missile today. So I guess I achieved one thing. All I know is that I can get close to winning in solo, but I can't quite win yet. You stupid Raven! Flip you! Flip you! No, I'm breaking all this down. No! Flip you! Flip you! Me and you are stuck in here together. This is my last game, guys, in this video. Don't forget to smash that like button and stuff. Tell me, do you think I'm better than Dan2DM? Because he's never played a shooting game before. At least I don't think. Tell me. Oh. Adam, the Dan2DM expert, he watches him all the time, says yes, he has played a shooting game before. But no, Adam, no. Like a shooting game in the past. Why? Oh. Hey, sir. Yeah, you go away. If you guys don't know, that's the new glider. I can't get it yet. I want to get the starter pack, but I can't get it also. That kind of sucks. But hey, I have saved the world. Comment down below if you guys want me to do a save the world video. I've killed people before with an egg launcher, Adam. Remember that one game where you were doing completely nothing? Yes, I killed a person with an egg launcher. I feel kind of bad now. I mean, they had a purple. They're probably ticked at me. But hey, a YouTuber's gotta do what a YouTuber gotta do. Med kits are always good. Comment down below, which one do you think is better, the egg launcher or the rocket launcher? I mean, I like the rocket launcher more than the egg launcher, mostly because the egg launcher is good for destroying bases, but is the opposite in the open, wide world. Get what I'm trying to say? So, I am going to jump on those two things right there. Nobody's in here. I fear. What, Adam? I don't want to die because of you. Okay, it seems like nobody's in Dusty Depot. Well, it seems like it doesn't mean there's nobody in Dusty Depot. Ava has awoken. Where's the little dude? We were trying to wake you up because the TV didn't work in our room, Ava. So you wouldn't wake up. So we kind of just left. I thought I was gonna get hurt so bad there. Oh, they didn't have really anything good on them. Don't make me feel bad like this. I will just kill. Oh crap. He ran off. I could have gotten that noob, but he ran off. I always carry 2 rocket launchers on me. So just in case, you know, if I want to fight, that's something I can do. I can just switch real quick. And just Wapow. Like just that fast, just go bam, bam. I'm not gonna go after them. They can do whatever the heck they want. There's nothing in there, so they're gonna be disappointed. Their next stop is probably going to be Dusty, and I'll just kill him. Hopefully. And we are on the road again. I'll let them fight it out. Gotcha! This might be the game, guys. This might be the game. This might be the game, guys. I'm sorry that I'm not talking as much, guys, but concentrating. Okay, 15 people left. We have this as long as nobody guided missiles me. Oh, hello, sir. That was a good game, though. That was a really good game. He killed me, but I killed the guy, too. Oh. Bro, that was a good game, though. I wanted to win that, though. Ah. Oh, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you want to see more Fortnite, tell me. Hopefully Twitch will let me. But, yeah, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and, yeah, become part of my band.